In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very cute wall hanging using MDF board and clay. So let's proceed to the video. Hello my dear friends, I'm Shawari from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let's begin. So I have taken a 5 by 5 inches MDF board, and at first we will cover it up with gesso. So take a brush and cover up the surface with white gesso. I have bought this gesso from Amazon. If you want the link, then comment in the comment section. And then we will let it dry and draw the outline of the picture. So this is the outline of the picture, and now we will start with the clay art. So I have used the Fevicryl molded air dry clay. We will mix up the resin base and the hardener to form a uniform mixture or dough, and then we will place the dough at the faces of our picture in this manner. Smoothen the surface with water, okay? Similarly, we will add clay hearts on top of the outline in this manner and let our work to dry for 3 to 4 hours so that it hardens up completely. So when it has hardened up, paint the clay pieces with white colored acrylic paint and let it dry. Start painting on our work in this manner. So we will quickly paint our work and get it ready. Here I am adding green colored background, but later on I realized that I did not like the green color so much, so I changed it to yellow. So this is the fun with acrylic paint. You can always redo and undo whatever you feel like. So at the end I have changed it to yellow colored background. So now we are doing the cute hearts. And quickly complete the face, hair and little detailings as you can see. Our painting is nearly done. We will quickly change the background because I wanted it to be yellow, and then add detailings like hairband and the letters of the word love in the heart. Now we are attaching a string to the holes that we made using a driller, and just tie it at the back in this manner. And our beautiful wall hanging is ready. Cut the extra string and it is perfectly ready to be decorated anywhere you feel like. It is really beautiful, colorful and very cute. So it will give a warm touch to your drawing room or your study table. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. Thank you, have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.